What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. For this install, I'm using hair from Bobbi Boss. Of course, all the information will be in the description box below. This is their Boss Bundle collection in the bone straight. I have the 28-inch, the 26-inch, a 24-inch bundle, and also an 18-inch bundle. So if you want to see how I do this hair, then you got to keep on watching. So first, I'm starting off with freshly washed and blow-dried hair. It's looking crunchy like this because I slept on it because I washed it the night before. But anyways, now I'm just parting out my hair. I decided to go with the side part, but I honestly wish now in hindsight I would have done a middle part because I feel like it would have been really cute with this bone straight hair. Now the side part was cute, don't get me wrong, but anyways, I wish I would have done a middle part. Anyways, I'm only parting out like an inch wide parting space. I don't want it too thick. Because I want it to blend with the hair. This hair is very fine, so I don't want to leave too much of my hair out because it's two different textures. And then now I'm just parting out my leave out around the edges. Now this is up to you. Like, you can leave out just a little bit like this, or you can leave out more. Just know that the more hair you leave out, the more hair that you're gonna have to blend with the weave. So my texture, I don't even know what texture hair that is, child. It's it's kinky, okay? And trying to blend my leave out with this hair means I have to apply heat. So if you don't want to have to keep like applying a bunch of heat to your hair, I recommend not leaving like a bunch of hair out. Like, honestly, the hair that I left out around my edges is too much for me. I really just wish I would have did my edges. But anyway, so now I'm just gonna go and braid down my leave out to get it out of my way, and then I'm going to braid down the rest of my hair like this. I didn't do any particular style. I just did smaller braids going straight back. When you do your braids, you want them to be as flat as possible. If you're not good at doing braids, you can also do like a slick ponytail going to the back. You will have the little bulge in the back from the little bun, but you can just go over that. It's not too bad, but I like to do braids. And now I'm just taking my hair growth oil, greasing up my scalp so that my hair will not be dry underneath this cap. And then I'm just pinning up my braids that are hanging with a bobby pin. I know some people like to use the crochet needle to crochet your hair under your braids, and you can absolutely do that. I don't know how to do that. I don't know how to use a crochet needle, so I'm not using it. Okay, so I'm just using good old handy dandy bobby pin. All right, so the next step in preparation is your wig cap. I only use one black wig cap when it comes to my installs. Some people like to double up and use two. You can absolutely use however many you want to. I'm just using one, and then I'm taking my white eyeliner pen and I'm outlining where my leave out is. This just, it's like a guide for where I should put my my hair protectant over the cap, and also where I should stop when I lay down my tracks. I'm just taking the protective shield. I have it in clear. Honestly, I haven't noticed the difference between the clear and the black. I just thought it was cool that it came in clear, so I got clear. But yeah, now I'm just taking this like paintbrush thing. It's not a paintbrush, it's like the brush for hair that you use for like, what do you call it? Like dyeing your hair? I don't know, child, you know what I'm talking about. Using that, and I'm first going in real heavy with the protective shield around the perimeter of the cap, because this is what stops your cap from sliding. I know a lot of people ask like, oh, how does the cap not roll back? Yada yada. This and using the Got to Be Free spray and blow drying it is what stops your cap from rolling off your head. So as you can see here, I'm really focusing the free spray around the edges of the cap, because this is what I want to be hard. Now don't get me wrong, I do saturate the back of the cap too, like I am right here, but I really focus on the edges as well, because I want that to be nice and hard after I blow dry it, so that it stays in place and it doesn't shift. Okay, and now it's time to actually install the bundles. So this is just a close-up view of the tagging in the bundles in case you want to go out and purchase it, so you'll know what it looks like. I'm starting out with the 28-inch bundle because it's the longest, and I also want you to note that this is in the color natural, which means it's like brownish, it's not jet black. This is how much hair comes in a pack, and mind you, this is 28 inches long, so it's a pretty decent, pretty good amount of hair for one bundle here. Yeah, so now I'm going to go ahead and start installing it. So I'm using my 30-second glue. This is my favorite glue, the only glue I will use. And to do this or install the track, I'm just measuring the track from one side of my head to the other. I'm not starting exactly at the bottom of the wig cap. I'm going up just a tad. Not too much, but just a little bit. And then I cut the track after I measured it, and now I'm just applying my glue. I'm making sure not to apply like a ton of glue to it, but also you don't want to apply like too little. Just like a medium-sized amount. Don't have it like oozing off the sides because that's crazy. And then I'm just giving it like a little blow because it says let it dry for 30 seconds, but I'm impatient, so I didn't have 30 seconds to wait. But I just gave it a little blow, and then I just put it on the back of my head. So I use my fingers to feel where the track should go, since I clearly can't see the back of my own head. So just use your fingers and feel. And the best part is if you mess up, you can slide it around, you can peel it back off. It's glue, and you can glue it back down if you messed up. Like, this is not permanent at all. Like, I know you want to do it right the first time, but people make mistakes. So what I'm doing here is I'm using my fingers to feel where the last track was, and then I'm gluing the next track right above that, and I basically do that until I get done with this bundle. This is how far one bundle got me. It actually got me pretty far. It got me like a little bit past my ears, which is good. I even put them really close together because I wanted it full. But now I'm starting on the 26-inch bundle. Now that one said natural black, which means this bundle is going to look more black than the other one. And you'll see more like in the light, like in the b-roll, but you'll see the difference between the color. But basically I'm just repeating the same steps. I'm measuring out the track from one side to the other, and then I'm cutting it, and I'm going to apply the glue. So this is as far as the second bundle got me, the 26-inch bundle. I also changed my shirt because I realized the hair is black and my shirt was black and you couldn't really see anything, so I put on a white shirt just so you can see the difference. But you can also see how long the hair is and how silky it is, and I'm pretty much towards the top of my head off of just 2 packs. So now I'm going to go ahead and start on the third pack, which is a 24-inch. This is in the natural color again, so this one's going to be more brownish as I get towards the top of my head. So even though my leave out is black, it's still blended pretty well with this natural color because this wound up being the last pack or bundle that I used. So I used like 3 in total. So even though this was like natural brown, it wasn't like jet black, it's still blended with my hair. But if you feel like your hair is darker, definitely go with the black color. So as I get towards the top of my head, I'm no longer placing the tracks in a straight line like straight across, but it's becoming more curved, just following the natural curve of the leave out. And I'm going to keep doing that until the track on the side of my leave out right here meets the white line. And once I can't go anymore on that side, then I'm going to start laying the tracks in like an L shape on the other side. This is because I want the hair to fall more in my face. But if you want your side part to fall more towards the side, then you would just put the tracks going straight back. Once you're done, you should have something that looks a little like this. You see how the hair is falling in my face, but I'm going to cut that a little bit later. But before I do, I'm just going to go ahead and tame my leave out. Now I'm just going in with my edge booster and styling my edges as normal. Want to leave your bang long like this, you absolutely can. It's optional, it's up to you, but I decided I wanted my hair to fall like more in my face over my eye, so I cut like a side swoop. So yeah, overall I really like this hair. It's really silky and long. Like I said, I am 5'3" and this is 28 inches, and this low-key hangs like a 30-inch honestly. But yeah, that is it. Like I said, all the information for this hair will be in the description box below, and thank you guys so much for watching this video. Adios till next time.